leave me hanging, baby. Don't leave me out to dry. I know I drive you crazy. I know it's hard sometimes to love somebody like me. Somebody like me. Somebody like me. Somebody like
Think they know where I come from sometimes. So this is forgetfulness. I've been racking my mind to put together the puzzle inseparable. I become with these words on the page. Locked up rehearsing for days. Can't take my business away. I'm a sensitive, cynical slave to the game that I was sentenced to change. Blame on my distance, ashamed of the way I've been missing. But I can't run away from my missing. All the pain I've endured, I've regifted. Nothing more than stories I lived in. Take a trip in the shoes of a warrior. Wanted the soul that you're witnessing. I've been broke to the core. Stretched out more than accordions. Ask my friends and according to them I'm torn but I'm fortunate. Cause I wake up each morning, I find a beat, stick a fork in it. Ain't that the dream? Well, of course it is. But I'm still at the doorstep, and I'm sick of being patient. My relationships end up breaking. I dread every single bank statement that remind me I'm still in the basement. They need attainment, I hate this. Know my worth, see the greatest. You don't take 100 more hits before they put my name with the greatest. And now my phone's running low. She on the phone with her mom. Tears in her eyes, said we fighting. Some days she don't get along. I need assurance, a part of myself and who I'm supposed to be. I know just how hard it is trying to get close to me.
And baby girl, I'm trying to get to where we're supposed to be. I fucked it up cause I've been chasing all this industry. You gave me space, but I was missing anniversaries. And now I'm missing every day that you were close to me. I'm trying to blow like a C4. Didn't realize that you're the one I'm about to blow it for. Thinking back to chilling with my girl last Tuesday. And now I can't see my girl till next Tuesday. Hey, I miss your sex, but I miss your voice a lot more. I miss the mornings that you rummaged through my box of drawer. And now we're getting close to the end of this break, and I just hope that I can see you smile when you see my face.
Don't leave me hanging, baby. Don't leave me out to dry. I know I drive you crazy. I know it's hard sometimes to love somebody like me. Somebody like me. Somebody like me. Somebody like me. Don't leave me hanging, baby. Don't leave me out to dry. I know I drive you crazy. I know it's hard sometimes to love somebody like me. Somebody like me. Somebody like me. Somebody like me.
Running down my face, make it stop. The world is driving me crazy. I need a light in the dark. I can't take voices stuck in my head, screaming loud, telling 1,000 lies. Others shine bright. Seems like they know the light. Seems like they know.
up to, man?
Yo, you'll never guess what I had to do today.
That bitch?
Yeah. I had to fucking tell her, man. She was fucking tripping on me and shit.
Bitch, bro. You gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I mean? What'd she tell you, bro? I know she went in on your ass. What'd she tell you?
Bruh.
She said, black heart, go away. Fuck up by my face. I cannot believe you lie for trusting things you say. You gon' need a miracle to get up out this merry-go. But every time I come around, these bitches be like, there we go. So fuck up out my face. You ain't up to pace. You are only here because you want what's in my safe. You gon' need a miracle to get up out my merry-go. And every time I come around, these bitches be like, there you go. Am I wrong to do the things I couldn't do before? Am I wrong to say the things I couldn't say before? If you knew I was no good, then what you choose me for? Had that ass on call, so don't you say that you ain't know that. I ain't tryna be your man, gotta supply the demands, and that's just the way that it goes. I'm just out here and I'm grinding the shows. Swear you out here dripping on some shit that don't